Yo, what's up, guys? So, if you guys have seen those videos where it's like, yo, what sound does a revolver make or whatever, and like when you shoot it, like you play that sound, so it's like a kind of like, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, first lobby. Just so you know, I'm probably not gonna be really talking throughout this, but like, what sound does a revolver make? Okay. But
Oh, my dude.
stop killing people!
I didn't even shoot him. I shot.
Stop killing people!
Let's get him.
Stop shooting me!
Meh.
Are we serious?
What do we say?
Kill raccoon! Kill raccoon! Kill raccoon!
Why me?
Shoot the raccoon.
He's
Because you killed an innocent person.
Right?
Okay, that's kind of the point of the game. So you're just bad.
Money. He was trying to make
Kind of no, that's kind of just the point of the game. You die, you die.
Yo, I
Dang
didn't even
it!
shoot
No,
anybody.
grab ammo. I need ammo.
So what should I do? I'm gonna give me a beat that look like you.
Finally, he's dead.
Bro, it's the point of the game, bro. Stop crashing out of it.
Oh yeah. I'm playing baseball.
Sucks. What sound does a shotgun make?
Can I show you
I know what you're trying to do. Hold on, shoot it real quick.
Somebody's.
Boom!
Okay. Oh, bet.
Yo, wait, yo, raccoon.
No.
Yo, raccoon, can I show you something? Wait, raccoon, don't kill me. Don't kill me, raccoon. Raccoon, don't kill me. I just want to show
Execute
you
him.
something, okay?
Execute him immediately.
Yeah! You just killed him.
America! Alright, I got
Oh, it's Tiny Man! Tiny Man go bye-bye.
you. Tiny Man died.
How did you not die?
Hammer.
Bro, PPVV is not an animal company, bro. What
Yes,
you
he is,
yapping?
bro. He's so cute.
Holy cringe. Holy cringe.
Boom!
You.
Hell.
Get it.
Boom! 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 Charles here. Boom! Come on, bro. I'm about to switch cheese on y'all. Boom!
Yeah! No! No.
Boom! Boom!
Yo, Red, what sound does an RPG make?
Want to trade me?
Okay.
Does anybody want to trade me?
Everybody get ready for the big bombing ×2.
What?
Can somebody buy me a lance? Can somebody buy me a lance?
Why?
Trade me. Does anybody want to trade me?
I will. I can trade.
The big back bombing.
Somebody give me a lance. Somebody give me a lance.
I'm blue with a lance. Look for somebody.
Oh, okay. How?
You own lances.
No.
Like a lance.
No, I don't.
Why are you killing yourself? Geese for killing
Double red bunch!
What up? Is everybody having
again.
fun?
Red one!
Bro, I'm smoking. That's bad for you. Bro, what you do?
It's not bad for you.
Bro, that laugh is devious. Bro, that laugh is
Get some face and they didn't die.
What sound does a boom spear make?
this thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Kaboom!
No, no.
Kaboom!
He tickled me. I got the low. He tickled me. Chad, he tickled me. I'm gonna tickle this guy.
Oh, bringing you something special. Alright, bring us some guns. Bring some
Hey, no, I'm not red bud.
guns.
I'm not red bud.
I'll bring you
You're red right now, buddy. Bro.
Do you want me to If you still have the guns, fucking
No, I killed you.
Ow.
I win. I win. Are you okay?
Time to
Looks
do an
like you
airstrike.
just bang your controller off the floor or something.
Yeah, wait.
Yo, wait. What sound does an egg launcher make? What sound does an egg launcher make?
Don't make any noise, bro. Don't make.
How did I die?
Don't make. Don't make.
Alright, yo guys, this is like the middle of the video, but like the end kinda. I had to go. But I'm back now. Yay! But I got Dr. Pepper. What doing? Alright. Okay. Back to the funny stuff. Alright, I hope you I hope that was very enjoying. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna point an atomic bomb at your house. Joking! Where am I? Okay, bye.
Sigma!